have with Endeavor Dent Tools. I can show you one of our new hammers that's done pretty well for us here lately. I call it the crown jewel. I developed this hammer with softer rubber tips and a little bit flatter face so that I could strike the panel harder and leave less damage at the impact points that I had to clean up later. The other thing that makes this hammer a little bit different than other hammers is it's on a solid carbon fiber shaft instead of a tubular shaft. So it gives you a little bit different feel off of the metal back to your hand. A lot of guys like the rubber ball, so I use that as a base for the handle end. So I've got a little bit of a machine insert there that tapers off the ball so it fits in your hand a little bit better for me personally, and hopefully it works for other guys. So offer this in 3 different lengths, a 13, a 15, and a 17. And then in 3 different colors, black, red, and green. And they're available at www.endeavordentTools.com. Thanks, Chris, for let me jump on your channel. You can follow Endeavor Dent Tools on Instagram. Appreciate it, Chris. Thanks, everyone, for watching.